in the old data lake classical approach, we are taking a basic example. Let's suppose there is a librarian, he gets in daily a bunch of papers, and without sorting or anything, he is just keeping the previous set of papers as well as the new one in all these shelves in the library. And as and when someone has to read or someone has to get a respective paper, he has to search for it, look for it in all this raw data or the raw files, as we can see in the shelves. So what a data lakehouse has solved in this data mutation scenario is, when the librarian gets the batch of books or the files, he himself first have a searching or classification mechanism based on which he will place the right files at the right shelves and the books. And as and when someone has to read it, it's like very simple for them because the same set of files or the books are classified into one section. So it's very easy for someone to just simply go and pick it up. That's how even Hudi manages it. If there is a specific upsert or a merge that we need to do for a single particular row, it knows where the data is stored and where it has to go and update it. Using Spark, let's say if new batch of data is coming in and we have old set of full or partial data present, then we need to load both of it into our system. We need to do the computation of finding the right key on which we'll need to do the merge or upsert, and then finally we need to overwrite into our target bucket, which involves cost as well. With this Hudi approach, you don't need to read the old history data. We just need to read the new incoming data, and Hudi will take care of where and which file has to be updated. These are some of the benefits that we have personally encountered, and we have used Hudi to solve the problems that we are facing on a day to day basis with the growing demand of streaming as well as batch. And the business needs the data in near real time. Hudi basically solved this for us. So these are some of the problems that we face. Like in case of we need to do a row level upsert, we are having a lot of raw history data, basically in billions of records in TVs of data, and the input records that is coming in from the source are very few. So here, enabling this with Hudi is like seconds of effort because Hudi basically, because of maintaining the metadata and file system within the cloud architecture itself, it helps us to do this row level upsert or merge without we reading it, doing the compute, and writing it back again to the respective file system. Schema evaluation and asset properties are something which you are lacking in data lake, but here with Hudi we are able to do this.